Hello, it's the 3-day weather forecast from the Nigerian Meteorological Agency, and I'm Onyilo Desmond. We've already witnessed some early morning rains over parts of the northeast. We presently have rain clouds hanging over parts of Borno, Gombe, Bauchi as at Monday morning, still giving them prospects of some few rains over that place. Over the central states and much of the northern states for the rest of Monday, we expect mostly cloudiness with some few intervals of sunshine. The air temperature is slightly cool, and this will inhibit any further development of rain clouds to give anything substantial over the central states and to the rest of the north. Down south, we expect different shades of cloudiness to affect the inland areas of the south, but to the coast, we have prospects of a few rains to affect the southeastern coast and the southwestern coast. For air temperatures are also on the low side thanks to the increased rains and cloudiness that we've had in recent times. So mostly maximum temperatures are within and should stay around 30 degrees centigrade over the central states and the southern cities. Just some parts in the north where temperatures are in their mid-30s. And for the northeast, speaking about Yobe and Borno State in particular, maximum temperature should reach 38 degrees Celsius and 39 degrees Celsius over that region. As we get into day 2 of our forecast, we have better prospects of rainfall events for Tuesday. We expect thunderstorms to affect much of the north, much of the central states, and as we get to the southern region, we also expect increase in rainfall events. However, rather than thunderstorms, we expect more of light continuous rainfall over much of the southern states, and this is not unconnected with an observed increase in surface pressures, which is dousing and inhibiting the deep convective clouds that should normally form over that region. Maximum temperatures for Tuesday should also be within mostly 30 degrees Celsius for the central states and the southern cities. Not to also forget that night temperatures are also on the low side in their lower to mid-20s over the central states, over the south, and even over parts of the northern states. Maximum temperatures for the extreme north should still be within the mid-30s, though we also expect the maximum temperatures to increase slightly over parts over Borno and over Yobe State, where it now hits 39 and 40 degrees Celsius. As we get into Wednesday, which is the 3rd day of our forecast, we expect a lull in rainfall events for this day, more or less some respite in what should affect this day. So we expect more of cloudiness with sunshine intervals to affect the northern states and the central states. So we should see more sunshine for Wednesday. We, however, have some prospects of isolated thunderstorms to affect the high ground areas, speaking about Jos Plateau and the high ground areas of Taraba State. Down south, to the coastal parts of the south, we expect more of light rains to affect the southeast and the southwestern part of the country. And because of the open skies for the 3rd day, we expect temperatures to increase slightly for the northern region. And so most parts of the north should be in their mid to upper 30s compared to what we expected for the 1st and the 2nd day. Temperatures for central states should still be within 30 degrees Celsius to the lower 30s, and to the southern part of the country, we expect temperatures to be within 30 degrees Celsius and to the lower 30s. And that's the outlook from this end. Thank you for watching. See you again.